In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FlexClip. By the end, you'll know how to start a project, assemble your clips, add text and music, and export a polished video ready to share. First, head to the FlexClip website and select Create New Video. This opens the editor and sets up your workspace. If you know where your video will live, take a second to note the platform's preferred aspect ratio so you can make choices that fit from the start. Next, choose how you want to begin. Templates are the fastest route, especially for formats like TikTok, ads, or YouTube. They come with pre-built scenes you can swap out with your own content. If you want full control, start from scratch for a completely blank canvas. There are also optional AI tools that can generate a starting point from text if you need a quick structure to iterate on. Now bring in your assets. Click Media and upload your video clips, images, and music. Keep your files labeled clearly so finding the right shot is easy. If you're missing something, FlexClip also includes a built-in stock library with videos and photos you can drop right into your project. Begin building your video by dragging your media into the timeline or storyboard. Arrange the clips in the order you want your story to unfold, and adjust the duration of each scene so the pacing feels natural. Shorter cuts feel energetic. Longer shots give viewers time to absorb details. Refine each clip by selecting it in the timeline. Use trim to clean up the start and end, split to divide clips where you want to remove a section or insert B-roll, and crop or resize to frame your subject correctly. Adjust speed to create slow motion emphasis or to tighten moments that drag. Add text and titles by opening the text panel. Choose from captions, titles, or subtitles, then customize the font color and animation. Keep readability in mind with high contrast and avoid placing text too close to the edges. For sound, go to Music. Add background music and sound effects or record a voiceover directly in the editor. Balance your audio so the voiceover is clear and the music sits just under it. Gentle fade-ins and fade-outs keep transitions smooth. Enhance your edit with transitions between clips and apply filters, overlays, or subtle animations for style. Consistency helps the video feel cohesive. If you have a brand, upload your logo and stick to your core colors and fonts for a unified look. When you're ready, hit play to preview. Watch for timing, audio levels, and overall flow, then make quick tweaks. Finally, click Export. Choose 720p or 1080p quality and download or share your finished video online.